Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start remote work with Microsoft Teams step by step clearly. To start remote work with Microsoft Teams, first, ensure you have a Microsoft account. Visit the Microsoft Teams website or download the app on your device. Once installed, open Microsoft Teams and sign in with your Microsoft account credentials. After signing in, you will see the main dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the layout, including the activity feed, chat, Teams, and calendar sections. To create a new team, click on the Teams tab on the left sidebar. Then, click the Join or Create a Team button at the bottom of the screen. Select Create Team and choose whether to build from scratch or create from an existing group. Choose the privacy setting for your team: public, private, or org-wide. Next, give your team a name and an optional description to clarify its purpose. Add members to your team by typing their names or email addresses in the provided field. Once done, click the Add button to include them in your team. To set up channels for different topics or projects, click on your team name and select Add Channel. Name the channel and define its privacy. Next, start collaborating by posting messages in the channel and tagging team members. For video meetings, click the Calendar tab on the left sidebar. Select New Meeting to schedule an online meeting. Fill in the meeting details like date, time, and participants, then send the invite. During meetings, use features like screen sharing and document collaboration to enhance productivity. You can also personalize your settings by clicking your profile picture in the upper right corner. Explore options for notifications, app integrations, and theme preferences to suit your working style. When you receive messages or updates, respond promptly to stay engaged with your team. Utilize the search bar to find files, messages, or contacts quickly. Finally, maintain regular communication with your team through chats and video calls to foster a collaborative environment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.